All right, people, we're here at the Louisville Farm Show, and it's gonna rain 5 inches today almost. Best darn company ever. But it's gonna rain like 5 inches today. We're here with the Rotherk Family Farms.
Hello.
We're gonna do some stupid stuff and hopefully get some free stuff.
And steal stuff. And
we can't say that anymore. All right, folks, we're walking into Claus here with probably the worst representation of their combines. It's their 500,000. Oh my goodness, I can get in it. That is a beast.
it's German, so it's perfect.
Yeah.
German perfection.
Oh, it's even got the old logo. That's cool.
The wire knotters.
With their big new Xerion.
Alright, now this is where we buy merchandising.
Is that the line?
With CT Farms, by the way.
Mine Klaus.
It was pretty cool.
Yeah.
Get rid of the gearbox and go to Bolton Boys.
Yeah.
What's your Terra track for you?
Farm Point.
Okay. Here, what's your
Location.
Northern Indiana.
Northern Indiana?
Where are you guys from?
Seymour.
Okay.
No.
We deal
They
with
got
Gus.
checked out.
He's our local carrier. Keep us going. So.
Oh, can we buy something?
Yeah,
I want
Gus
to talk
was here
to him.
yesterday.
Was he?
Yeah.
Shit, I was here. I didn't see him around here yesterday.
You got money?
What kind of merchandise got here?
So you parts or
Yeah, I'm sales for
your
Northern
sales for Northern Indiana?
Come down to about Kokomo.
Okay. So who's
I think I want to get in the Xerion. I've been in Lexion's before. I gotta get in the Xerion.
Okay. You can do the plane. Gallons, rather.
You need another one.
You think I need another one?
Yeah, you need another one.
Okay, sweetheart. I'm looking.
That's cheap for a hat anymore, especially here. But I feel like they should have done a Terra track combine.
I know they should have.
Here.
It's the biggest Xerion they make. So,
Hey, I'm gonna go with the
We're switching from
All
here.
right.
We're going Claus, people. It's
oh my gosh.
This is interesting. This
It's even got the
control.
CMOS. It's got cameras on the thing.
So this is the CMOS thingy that you were talking to me about?
Yeah, that's like the handle that it is.
I
don't like
know.
it.
It's just weird. It's like, I don't know.
I
Pedal. Vroom, vroom, pedal.
could not imagine running this. That would be so much fun.
Oh, this thing would be absolutely mental.
I want to take two of them.
I mean, freaking mental. This isn't gonna
That's the combine.
I mean, this is. I'm just gearing off. We gotta go over there and tell them how good our corn head is.
It's a 12650. It's the biggest one they make. It's even got the footrests on it. I mean, I know nothing about this tractor,
Oh,
but it's
there's even
cool.
one over here, so you can be like, yeah.
Yeah. Big Klaus
So I guess you
machine.
shift gear like this.
No, that's your forward, backward. It's like hydro.
Oh,
But,
that's
yeah, you see, hydro.
that's actually pretty cool. Next machine.
See, and Claus made their tracks different on this one than most of the triangulars. Instead of doing their normal Terra track like Claus does, they did it different. This one's even got the PTO in it. And you see, it's supported hydraulic.
We're going to take a look around the rear of the machine. And there's no 3 point. There's no the other. There's no 3 point.
Oh, okay. It's a massive machine. This is bloody cool.
There's big square baling, round baling,
It's a Klaus film.
Lexion 8 got used to it. It's freaking
Lexion.
like 60 days a year.
Such a big machine. It's incredible. All right, folks, this is part 2. We started it with claws. I forgot to say it's part 2. But now we're walking through everything here in the big main building. I smell food.
Pro box right up inside that hole.
Yeah, me too. Very good. Elephant.
Mixing cone. We got a new mixing cone put on our spray trailer. We aren't as fancy as you guys. We don't have any of them.
What?
Pivots? Yeah.
Well, I don't like it either. So I don't know what to say. Like,
Tail balers.
it's Irish. We got the Irish here. That's probably racist. It's fine. They can deal with it.
Oh, them bale shredders.
I want to see one of those bell shredders work. I've never seen one in action before.
At one time they were going to come out with
JCB.
See, the Vermeer ones are supposedly the best.
They say that, but really, I mean, all the Holsteins, it just chews it up. That's so cool. It's like a confetti blower.
That'd be cool, though.
I'm like, what am I like on?
I'm going to take a booklet so I can never look at it again.
Exactly, because that's what we do. We get free merchandise and we don't look at it.
All right, people, we're here at Deutz-Fahr and JCB. We're going to Deutz-Fahr first, apparently. I thought we were going JCB first. Here is...
This is for you, Jeremy Clarkson.
That's bigger than Jeremy. That's like Jeremy's new Deutz-Fahr.
I know. He's got some cool stuff. Really.
Big company.
Fireworks thing. And he did
Smaller Deutz-Fahr.
I must say, I do like that they have the buttons on the side like this, so you can just like do all your functions and stuff without having to get back in. That's just smart to me. This is cool. Oh. This would be the same size as well. I mean, actually, it's probably a little bigger.
It's bigger. Here is one of the larger ones. There's the big one like Jeremy Clarkson's Lamborghini. It's the Diesel Cross one. It's like Jeremy's Lambo. It's like Jeremy Clarkson's from Clarkson Farm. Size Lamborghini. See, Deutz-Fahr and Lamborghini are the same tractors. Just like Massey Ferguson and Fit are the same tractors. And like Case and New Holland. One's the cheaper version. It's got reversing fans. So you can blow the heat out. Or pull it in. Let's join the hair in here.
I do like their handle though.
Ruther!
Really nice.
What's going on in here?
I'm just looking at their controls, you know, like their loader stuff is pretty cool too. It's
That's
simple.
hydraulic.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Looks like front loader to me. This has got the front loader brackets on there. But this thing is cool. Capital K cool.
Got all your buttons. I wouldn't know how to run one.
If it starts popping stuff up in German, like German error codes, I might freak out because it's probably going to yell at me. It was in reverse. It should be in neutral.
That would be cool to have a Deutz.
Deutz-Fahrs are really underrated. These are really cool tractors. I've always liked these.
We got the that thing, sunroof.
Oh, it's even got a parking brake? We know where are we going? We don't need park.
Yeah. All right.
Next tractor, the big one.
Like Jeremy's.
It's a massive tractor.
We're going to JCB after this.
I hope we do. I love JCB.
All right, people, we've made our way to JCB and Mother Bin. That had to be helicoptered in here. But we're at JCB now. The telehandler. Pretty cool. Oh, excavator. That would be nice. We got a Takeuchi excavator.
This thing just looks mean.
World's
It really
fastest
does.
tractor.
They don't own the fastest tractor thing anymore. Alice Thomas, JCB owns it.
I know.
850 kilograms, that's like what, 2.8 billion pounds?
They're also tall tractor, not near as tall as that Claws.
No,
But
they are pretty tall though.
they're big old payloaders and little construction machinery. I don't really like their skid loaders with the side door.
No, not me either. But I do like the Telebooms, so Teleboom's pretty cool.
Here by Horsch, they're big planters. Oh, like wheat type planter.
That and
I don't
if
think
not,
so.
sell the 48 and just use the 9230.
I don't know.
I guess that'd actually be pretty
Here's
smart.
Vermeer. They've got some nice balers. That self-propelled baler is pretty cool. Cool machine. Like one of them. Sometime in life, run one of them would be cool.
Pretty big, the tires.
I don't know. I think that's the neatest thing right there.
Want a self-propelled round baler?
Yeah.
Massey Harris did that.
I'm
They
thinking
did.
you can have make a lot of money doing custom round baling with that.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, because you could.
Look at that big old Deutz-Fahr thing. That big Case IH banner. And all these people down here at this like world largest farm mall or whatever it is. I don't know. It's big.
It says, please do not touch it.
Can't see it very well. It's even got running water on it.
There's a 4450 and a 4230 right there. 4230 narrow front. And a 4320 and an 806.
That's cool.
That's so cool.
They added cotton to it this year. There's the cotton they added to it this year for the stuck tractor. The Massey, of course, is stuck.
Massey's always made problems.
The big Wishmeyer place. Probably shouldn't say that on here, but
That's fine. Tampico. It looks like Tampico and Wismar.
Look, Massey got
that
done.
is very cool. Fully hydraulic cattle headlock crush thingy.
Meyer. That's an American farming. You probably shouldn't say the name of the game.
Oh, I don't care.
That's what.
It's probably gonna sue us now just for a little bit extra money. There's a big Landau strip till thingy. Them are cool though.
How land all its land.
Yeah, same thing. Same concept.
Get on it.
I was looking at
I
there's a
can't.
Meyer
Your fertilizer.
wagons, deer stuff.
Most of them side panels. Like I need to get some of these side panels for the 4450.
There's a cab.
I'm sitting in there.
All right, good luck. Dryer.
Oh.
Yeah, he's gonna go sing
Like we got
two of them.
two of those tabs. Has ever been on
I'm sure there's an international capital and probably gonna call
I probably would have. Big.
I like doing it. And then once I got done, I was done. And I could spray it, do like post spray on it.
Don't you own two of these? Why do you need to be in this one?
But I like this little like tray that they have right here.
Oh.
We can't do that because we have monitors, but
Triple R Tractor makes some of them for the 5288s. The unpreferred grain cart. Stuff
What you
happens.
got now? J&M?
J&M.
J&M.
Yeah. Because we
That's what we-
tried to
that's
crunch
what we
the other
got.
one.
yes, combines and grain carts. So
This is
see that one's been a little bit beat right there. It's fine. Oh,
Denver
I
for
do like their spreaders. Their
spreaders.
spreaders are pretty cool. They have them upstairs.
That's where they do like movies and stuff.
Well, we walk up there like we own the place. Like, all right, new business.
There's one of their big seed tenders. Like,
Don't you have
then
one?
you'd have to dump out all the boxes and stuff into here. The box ones are just whole up there. Ours is like a box that sets on it.
Yeah, these are just a hassle. I want to.
Here's a 28 applicator. Ours is similar to that. I think ours might actually be a Blue Jet. I'm not really sure. Kubota, massive Kubota booth. It's huge. This looks like that'd be a lot of weight on your drop bar. But what do I know? Oh, is that a hand washer? It is, I think. Yeah. I think I like ours more.
I never heard of JetBlue before.
I think ours is.
A JetBlue?
I think so. Not certain.
I never heard of
There's their tracks that they've developed. And the Brent grain cart.
The Equalizer. That's a movie, I think.
I wish we had tracks on ours. So that's the newer style tracks. The old tracks, they'd vibrate so hard
Oh, they do?
that it would crack the frame of the thing. But the new ones are a whole lot better.
That's so cool.
I like this. A 5 shank ripper. The little floating holograms. I'm gonna disrupt it. Another seed tender. Let's go see what type of merchandise they have.
All that can go wrong.
Look at that huge grain dryer.
That's
It's got even a normal door on it. That'd be so.
that is so cool.
My shoulder's starting to hurt.
Ooh.
Fenders. Keep walking. You gotta keep track of him. He gets a little sidetracked.
Don't
we have to,
yell
we have
at
to keep
me.
him in check.
I wanted to see what kind of fenders I could put on my John Deere.
Don't yell at me. I'm old and frightened.
Yeah, I am old, older than you.
Big old 28 applicator sprayer.
Land
Big
something.
strip tip. Big old strip tip.
Land.
Devices.
Land Lover. I've never heard of that before. That must be new. Or I just don't care. One of the two.
Both. All of the above, all three.
Yeah, all of the above.
Calving buildings. That'd be.
That's what we need for 4-H calves and cows.
Uh-huh. That'd be.
Got head
Just something
catcher
like
there
that.
at the end, and there you go.
Wonder how
Probably a
big they
barn
are.
like that. Well, those right here are 12 by 12 pins. It's a 24 by 60 barn.
Where'd you put it at?
We'll just knock the old cattle barn down at our house. Put it
Man.
there.
Throw it in the back.
You do?
Sometimes they do get big tags, 14 foot.
I'd love to have one.
Oh yeah, it's nice.
Where did he run off to? There's a little calf type thing. When we were talking, there's demonstrating a crash. That would feel like the chains would break, get rotted and break. I don't know. Woods, mowers. These fellas right here own one of these. Just theirs is a big Tex.
Ours is better because it's big text, but this is cool because it has a gravity setting, so it goes down by gravity.
Huh.
It doesn't use electricity. But yeah, it works.
Nice trailer.
It just uses a carbon. But yeah, but big text is better than Gator.
Just because it's big Tex.
Everything's bigger than Texas.
Of course. Could be like Britain. Store your grain right there. Store your grain on the ground instead of building grain bins.
Well, we did that in the old on there that one.
Everybody used to do that back in the day.
Titan lawnmower. I hate Grandma and Grandpa's Titan Toro lawnmower.
You do?
I do. I can't stand the thing because I'm used to my X-Mark, which is the fancy one. Bush hogs.
I like to get some of this size.
Isn't ours that size or is ours smaller?
Ours is 15-footer, but that's all we got. That's all we got is 15-foot.
More massive. That's all it needs to be. More massive.
Little 3.1. That'd be nice to pull behind like a loader tractor or something, or the
That could
1066.
go on your massive with front weights.
If only the 806 is a 3-point tractor, one of them behind the 806.
Can you like buy one of those like 2-point things for your 806 and like,
Conversions? Yeah, we
and
have
like,
some on
and like weld like a 3-point bracket on there or something like that?
I'm not doing any of that. You can buy like 2-point converters, so we have some of them for the 300.
I guess you could do that.
Snow plows. You see, one of these have been super nice this year when we got that like 13 inches of snow.
Yeah, really.
But like,
No,
then
we
we
had it.
won't have snow for another 4 years.
Yeah. So there's no point.
All sorts of silage equipment over here. A blower. We had an International 56 blower when we still filled a silo. It was a whole lot bigger than what we had. Bigger intake too. We had a John Deere chopper too. Oh, there's a driver thing. Grandpa was looking at this. You see people, we bought a hopper bottom trailer, so we have to revamp everything we've got.
You can use these for dump trailers. You
Yeah.
just don't open the big door. You just
Yeah.
open up the
See, we might look into something like this. Grandpa found one.
Are these like PTO or are these like electric? I'd say they're probably PTO.
I don't know. It might be
I'm
electric.
gonna take a look.
If I had to guess, they're
I don't know.
right here probably.
Maybe it's like a hamster wheel or something.
Put a little German guy on it.
Good
Say
work.
run!
Ralph.
Oh, my battery's getting low. We're gonna stop recording until we get to Big Boost. All right, everybody, we are at Bent. Big old tracked monsters. That would be so cool to run. The loader tractor Fendt. $1,100 Vario series.
Hey, quit jumping around, you two.
Heavy. Heavy. Man, would I like to run one of these. Dad wants a Fendt so bad, and so do I. I mean, what?
You can get rid of the loader tractor and that carry place.
That's probably $300,000. $250.
Closer to still.
Big old Vario. Ain't these things just so cool? Ag Revolution. Oh, is that the Massey twin square motor?
Yes, it is. I'm gonna video that right now.
The Fendt
Now I'm at Fendt with all their
Ideal 8T. There's a guy around us bought an 8600 Claws, and he test drove test drove one of these, and he said over 4 mile an hour it lost all its power and everything went out the back. A Massey Ferguson. Little brown baler. The old 728 Vario. Flows right into Massey. See, something Claus needs to have that these guys, that Fenton has. They've got this air blower that goes up there on the feeder house. You can press a button in the cabinet and blows all the stuff off. So every couple hours you can blow everything off. Never have to blow it off at the end of the day.
I have one on this one.
They were showcasing it. They presented it last year.
Say, Claus has just got the one up here that's supposed to suck it out, feed her house, but it still would not do anything.
Up in there. But
Big, ain't it? That's a big track.
Like, I'm not even taller than this tire.
the big old planter. Let's go visit Massey. I don't know where the little Rotary boy ran off to. He was staying with me for a minute. Oh, there he is. Let's go find him. He'll be faster. Go to the back. Oh, their sprayer with the big booms with the individual goes onto the row, gets closer application. Look at that. It's German.
Oh, yeah.
It's German, but I think my German's better.
Yes, it is. But it is impressive. It is impressive.
But you see, there's a guy around us, YouTube, that test drove one of these and he said it lost all its power above 8 miles an hour. 4 miles an hour, not 8.
I don't know if you all can see that, but that's all the cool stuff back there are all the sieves and...
Alright, we're gonna go look at Massey Ferguson next. We're at Massey Ferguson now. So Massey is presenting this here. It's right there. It's a 2-row square baler. It makes 2 squares at once, which I think will be super cool to see. Oh, sorry.
You make more bales at twice the speed.
Now, if I ever own a Massey, I want to be. If I ever own a Fenton or a Massey, I want it to be a black one.
And there's a cheese grater with a freaking separator in there.
Oh, you can chain all your things. See here, now this would be super cool. I think this is the twin square baler, right?
Basically take place in the Power Beyond.
6 years. Well, going on 6 years. 5.5.
It is. That is cool.
The baler. It does make 2 bales.
My claws will outdo it.
Oh, I bet so. That 1066 will freaking throw coal and make as many bales as it
Now, folks, we're about to show you something scary, so don't get too scared. It's a gleaner. Terrifying, I know. I'm gonna vomit.
Inducing thing in my throat.
You see?
Don't touch it. Remember, we're smart.
You see why they have that so easy? Because you gotta pull the rotor every other hour.
Exactly.
14 minutes. Your final chance to win some free swag from
Black Massey.
It's not really free, you gotta earn it. How do you do that? You get to play Jeopardy. If you think you're a
If we ever end up with a Massey, it needs to be a black one. That just looks so cool.
I still don't like John. I don't
And you see, these Massey
kind of like the
this is a white.
but this is the.
This is a white.
Oh, it is.
Yeah.
Oh.
They took all the white ideas and made it a Massey Ferguson.
Well, they made it better because it's got Massey Ferguson on there, not white. That's
Yeah.
why. But Ag Revolution, call that number. Get your Massey Ferguson and Fenton stuff.
They've got some really nice hats too.
Yeah, I love their hats. I don't have one, but
They
I
even
like
come with a free Dr. Pepper. Folks, our journey's ending about here. So, I want to thank you all for watching this terrible, terrible video, and goodbye.